Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. What a day! What a week! What a month! What a start of the year! I mean, this whole market turmoil, increased vol, all down to at the moment it's the dollar funding story. This is pure fear. Everyone's selling every kind of asset, but dollar is on a wrecking ball rampage, right? EM currency absolutely slaughtered. G10 not far behind. You know, Euro knock. Not helping with oil. Um, but if you just look at all dollars, they're all significantly high. Even the sleeping tornado dollar try. Okay, dollar CNH rallying as well. You know, often that is quite self-contained for various reasons. But here we are, and today there was a bit of a respite, a bit of the dollar pausing because California has basically ordered all of its residents to stay at home. Okay, so let's look at the first slide, euro dollar. Just slightly off the lows, you see that 106.30, bit of a trend line there. All caveats are suggesting to really watch your risk because although we are pausing, this could be just a pause for another massive leg lower. But out of all the dollars, euro dollar has moved the least amount. It has shown quite some resilience. 108.66, maybe some cap there for resellers, but 111, bit of congestion there on the mid Bollinger Band. Probably sellers will turn up there. Next slide. Wow. I mean, this is a proper V shape. Shame we can't have a V shaped recovery, but this is absolutely rampage. Pure. This is not risk off. Obviously, this is the dollar funding. Okay. That basically means people, investors, traders scrambling to get dollars for liquidity, right? Closing assets, and dollar yen was a large recipient of that. 108, well, 109.50 maybe cap, but beyond that, 108.34. Expect some buys down there. Next slide. Cable. Who says technicals don't work when we're in high vol? Well, just take a look at 114.50. Capping, providing support so far, but 136.16, way above up there. Not much, quite a lot of clear water. But cable being cable, just be very, very careful. Very cruel mistress if you don't know what you're doing. Now, next slide. Dollar rand, great for dollar sentiment, but also risk sentiment. This is interesting, isn't it? It's actually on the monthly chart. Now look at that. Look at that. 1560s. That just broke, and we're up there. We're still up there. Do not want to be shorting this. And then here we have the final bunch of slides. This is quite interesting because this is a broad EM cluster of slides. I often look at various suite of currencies: MEX, ruble, and Korean won. Not a bad shout. As you can see, dollars just off their highs, probably due to this California news. But that's about it, really. I would still wait for some more news and just watch that risk. But finally, I just want to say a little note. It's still, we may have paused and risk may have had a tiny bounce, but dollar's slightly weak, but just be careful because this could be, this has got legs and it could go on for a lot longer. My name's Patrick Reed from the Adamus Principle. Thank you.